My people, how na dey na still your guys park dey here so, and on today's KOKO Street, the question wey I get be say, which particular tribe for Nigeria wey be say, even though they give you 1 billion, you no go marry from, and you go tell me your experience with all those tribes. Anyway, join me at the street of Lagos now. Alpha boss, wetin be your name now?
My name is Yola.
Okay, Mr. Oyala, my question wey I get be say now, which tribe dey for this Nigeria wey say you no fit marry from? Which tribe be that?
I no fit marry Igbo.
Igbo. Why Igbo?
Because your dressing, I no like your dressing. They too like money. So they don't sabi talk.
You don't ever date Igbo girl before? Why you get this experience?
I don't date so many Igbo. But
tell us one of the experience wey be say make you believe say this one na no go area.
The one wey I date last, you no sabi talk at all. E dey insult person. So I myself, I don't like him character at all because I don't like their character.
So which tribe you go like one marry from like this?
If I want marry, I like to pay. I prefer Ekiti, Edo, two range.
You don't date one of them before?
Yes.
So for that one you quench the girl, yes. So you know say this girl is sweet,
yes.
Because I know say now wetin you want make you like the girl.
Yes, that's why. I prefer Ekiti, Edo.
Oh yeah, now no what. Good afternoon, boss. Wetin be your name now?
My name is Adijare.
Okay, Mr. Adijare. Now, you don see say the question wey I get today be wetin be that particular tribe for Nigeria wey be say they give you tough time when you dey date and you no fit marry lie and you no fit even advise person to marry.
Anyway, I thank God I'm married.
Okay.
But if I were to be single, I think Abakaliki people. I will never marry them.
They give you tough time, bro.
Not that they give me tough time. I don't just like them. They are too short. They are all short people.
They are all
short people.
But bro, no look from the thing of things now. You sef you dey that kind level now.
I don't know the level. As I dey like this now, I be giant for it and do. And even
your short gonna be that.
Even if I'm short, I wouldn't like to marry someone who is shorter.
Okay. So give us one of the experience wey you get for your relationship wey be say no go fit make you marry them.
I have never come across them. I always said people like that. I wouldn't want to marry them.
I want that one particular tribe wey be say you no fit marry for.
Yes, the experience I have had once is Calabar people.
Wetin she do you? She run you straight abi wetin? She give you breakfast, which one?
Oh.
Okay.
I'm short of words. I can't say much about it.
Okay.
But if you go there for engagement or anything, they will tell you, they can even tell you that you're going to buy matches for the engagement. They will tell you buy ball for their boys in the house. You don't get.
You don't buy toothpick.
You get it. Not where you no go buy. You go buy everything. Person wey don die sef, you go buy in cloth, another person na go wear am.
That means say you no fit advise men like you to marry from there.
No, I can. It's people's choice. You are free to marry from anywhere, but for me, I think
it's a good no go area.
Yeah, no go area.
Person talk say no fit marry from Abakaliki because those people are so short. Omo guy, wetin happen? Anyway, na your own opinion be that, but for me I no fit marry Igbo girl. All those people they don do me strong thing. Anyway, I still make your host Spark now. Don't forget abeg, like this video, share and subscribe. Till we meet next week now. I be your host Spark.